Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get seeds and start planting in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all, you need to talk to Blanc and then you need to purchase the seeds and also the planter from here. I'm gonna purchase the planters and also the tomato seeds. Okay, just click on purchase and then we're going to place the planter. You can place the planter nearby your house. Okay, don't forget to hold the planter first, and you can find a location to place the planter. Oops, it's overlapping, so I'm gonna place it here, guys. From the quest, I need to place 8 planters in my home. Okay, so let's just arrange the planters right here on this side as well. Okay, almost done. All right, and then we need to plant the tomato seeds. Okay, plant the tomato seeds on the planter. I need to plant 8 seeds. Okay guys, and that's how you can get seeds and start planting in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.